Hello, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare. Today we are going to discuss the topic incompatibilities in prescription from pharmaceutics 2. The pharmaceutical incompatibility is defined as the incompatibility refers to interaction between two or more substances which leads to the changes in chemical, physical, therapeutic properties of pharmaceutical dosage form. It occurs as a result of mixing of two or more antagonist substances and an undesirable product is formed which may affect the safety, efficacy and appearance of pharmaceutical preparation. Pharmaceutical incompatibility may occur not only during compounding and dispensing but also at any stage during formulation, manufacturing, packing or administration of drugs. Types of incompatibilities. There are total 3 types of incompatibilities. First one is the physical incompatibility, second chemical incompatibility and third one is therapeutic incompatibility. Now we are going to discuss in a brief about physical incompatibility. Definition of physical incompatibility is interaction between two or more substances which leads to changes in color, odor, taste, viscosity and morphology. Physical incompatibility is also called as pharmaceutical incompatibility. When two or more than two substances are combined together, physical changes take place and an unacceptable product is formed. These changes which occurs as a result of physical incompatibility are usually visible and can be easily corrected by applying the pharmaceutical skill obtain a product of uniform dosage substance to help in compounding of the prescription. And attractive incompatibilities may be corrected by using any one or more of the following method. Change the order of mixing of the prescription, emulsification, adding of suspending agent, change in the form of ingredients by adding, substitution or omission of therapeutically inactive. Examples of physical incompatibilities. There are total 4 examples. First one is the immiscibility, second insolubility, third precipitation and fourth liquefaction. So first example of physical incompatibility is immiscibility. Oils and water immiscible with each other. They can be made miscible with water by emulsification. Example of immiscibility is castor oil 15 ml, water 60 ml. Make an emulsion. In this prescription, castor oil is immiscible with water. To overcome this incompatibility, an emulsifying agent is used to make a good emulsion. Second example of physical incompatibility is insolubility. Insolubility means the inability of the material to dissolve in a particular system. The measure of incompatibilities are due to insolubility of inorganic as well as organic compounds in a particular solvent. The example of insolubility is ephedrine sulfate 0.25 gram, menthol 0.02 ml, liquid paraffin sufficient to make up to 30 ml. The ephedrine sulfate is an alkaloidal salt and is not soluble in liquid paraffin, but anhydrous ephedrine is soluble in it. Hence, ephedrine sulfate is substituted with anhydrous ephedrine to make a clear solution. The second example of insolubility is phenacetin 3 gram, caffeine 1 gram, orange syrup 12 ml, water up to 90 ml. In this prescription, phenacetin is an indivisible substance, compound powder of tragacanth or mucilage of tragacanth is used as a suspending agent to make a suitable suspension. The third example of physical incompatibility is precipitation. A drug in a solution may be precipitated if the solvent in which it is insoluble is added to the solution. The example of precipitation is the resins are insoluble in water when the tincture containing resins is added in the water. Resin agglomerates forming indivisible precipitates. This can be prevented by slowly adding the undiluted tincture with vigorous stirring to the diluted suspension or by adding some suitable thickening agent. And fourth, last example of physical incompatibility is liquefaction. When certain low melting point solids are mixed together, a liquid or soft mass known as eutectic mixture is produced. This occurs due to the lowering of the melting point of mixture to below the room temperature and liberation of water of hydration. Many chemicals form hydrates compounds with water of hydration. The medicaments showing this type of behavior are camphor, menthol, thymol, phenol, chloral hydrate and aspirin. This type of substance create problem when they are dispensed in a powder form. What we learn from this chapter, incompatibilities in prescription are what is the incompatibility, types of incompatibility and physical incompatibility. Thank you.